Hello viewers, today we'll discuss about the Siemens Sirius phase sequence controller and voltage monitoring device. You can see the picture in here. This is the Siemens Sirius, and the model number is 3UG4617 1CR20. You can see the picture of the Siemens Sirius voltage monitoring device. You can see the picture and details in here. Made in Germany. You can see the picture. If I want to see that how to working this one and how the functioning, how can show the voltage, how can show this working when the voltage under voltage and when the under over voltage, how can working. So I'm just describing about it. There is the L1, L2, L3. This L1, L2, L3. Three phase voltage in coming in here, and here's the connection. There is 12, 11, 14, 22, 21, and 24. So how the connection and the given over the Siemens Sirius voltage monitoring device. So I want to share with you one of the circuit diagram that is. This one is also, this one I'm just describing you. So this one is a diagram in the picture of in the manual book. So how they're working in the connection. So there is a model number 3UG4617 L1, L2, L3. This one is the incoming voltage, three phase voltage, and there is the 11. There is a common terminal. 11, the 12 and 14. 12 is normally connected NC and 14 is NO. Common voltage in here when normally connected the 12 connection point, and when the under voltage over voltage is happening, that time a NC contact should be the open. Now will be when the voltage under or over, that time this one is disconnected. 12 to 14 number connection will be changed. Similar, this one is 21, and the 22 is the NC connection and 24 is the normal NO connection. So when the voltage everything is okay, the system is okay, the 11 to 12 connection and the controlling signal is okay. When there is no there is problem, the under voltage or over voltage in this line voltage L1, L2, L3, that time the switching is changed 12 to 14. When the switching is changed 12 to 14, that time the circuit is directly open conditions. That means the circuit showing the alarm condition and machine will be off conditions. So that is the thing for this on the circuit for the model number of 3UG4617. This is the circuit diagram for the original connection diagram. We can connect to L1, L2, L3 and connect 11 number pin and the 12 number pin. This is the normal situation. When the happening the voltage high and down, that time the switching the circuit and going to the power in 14 number pin. That time the circuit is seems that it will be the working for alarms and generate the alarm. So that is the working how to work this. This is the Siemens Sirius. Actually, this one is working for these conditions. This one. So if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you need any correction or any if you need any help in this kind of regarding this, so you can comment and share with your friend. Thank you so much for listening to me here today. Thank you.